Hey everybody, welcome back. Today let's talk about the iPod HiFi from Apple. So I got and bought this thing 20 years ago and decided to finally unbox this yet again 20 years later. I'll show you the receipt here in a minute. And saved it for Christmas 2025. So as you can see, I'm opening up the box here. The remote and the adapters for the different iPod sizes are still in the plastic wrap, which is pretty cool. Still in great shape. So here you can see the remote that will help you control your iPod or whatever music playing device you plug in to the top of the iPod Hi-Fi. Um, this device, when it came out, was crazy. The sound quality was absolutely insane. And you could plug it into the wall. You could put uh, large batteries in the back of it. It's like an 80s boombox. You could throw it on your shoulder. You could take it to the pool. I mean, this thing hit and got so loud. This was before the iPhone came out. So this actually was an interesting. There's some more adapters. This is actually an interesting point in time when I saw this thing and tested this out. Like I knew something had shifted, and that this company was absolutely incredible at making products. So I invested in Apple way back then, about 20 years ago. I directed the family to invest in Apple and obviously the rest is history. So what's cool about this is the front cover comes off, and look at this industrial design. I mean, this is incredible, and it's still in like perfect shape. So there's a little bit of dust in there, obviously, and that's just some stuff from the floor I had it sitting on. But you can see the power cable adapter. You can put a headphone jack in there, audio out. At the top, there's one of the adapters for the iPod. There it is, sitting up straight um, next to my water bottle and such. So we've already seen this a little bit. But yeah, so this is before the iPhone came out. Like, look at their attention to detail. So you could see the elements from the iPod and the iPhone um, in this before before it was ever released. So there's the receipt uh, from Santa Monica Apple Store, March 12th, 2006. This was $349. The iPod was $400. And yeah, so this device is 20 years old and it still hits just like brand new. That's crazy to me. Like, and the grill comes off. I mean, this is just an incredible piece of engineering here. So the back you can see there with the Apple logo, it has like a key. You just open that up, screwdriver or whatever to lock the back in, but that's where the large D cell batteries go in. I actually bought this Bluetooth receiver so I can connect to my iPhone, computer, laptop, AirPods. iPad, I mean, and then, just play. And so it's pretty cool. I was playing some Outcast on this one. There it is. So create things that endure. That's the magic. Cool, y'all. Have a good one.